So guys, welcome back to the channel. तो आज अपने पास ये कुछ Beyblades हैं. We gonna do some battle. So this Beyblade I bought it long back from Amazon. So ये मैंने 399 रुपए 399 का परचेज किया था. So this is a fake Beyblade. We can say it's a flame Beyblade because it's obviously a flame Beyblade, but in India they rebrand it to some other name and they sell it. So let's call it flame Beyblade for now. So this Beyblade we bought from Amazon, as I told earlier. So the video is available on the channel. You can find it out. So this video was requested by some of you. So today we're gonna take this fake Beyblade against these original Takara Beyblade. So I got Wild Wyvern here, Kesser Kerbeus, Victory Valkyrie and Lost Luinor. So we're gonna do a battle between them and we're gonna find out how good this is. So it's gonna be a 2-point battle. So whoever gets 2 points first, that's it. That's the end of the line. So guys, without wasting any more further time, let's get straight into the action. So I guess you have seen my shorts about the battle between these two. So let's see it in real time. Let's see how that goes. So first, obviously, I'm gonna launch Spriggan because Valkyrie has a really bad stamina. So first battle, here goes Spriggan. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Here goes Valkyrie. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Valkyrie did win, but I guess stadium is not suited for Valkyrie. So 1 point for Valkyrie. Let's start again. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. So Valkyrie won by burst finish. This round goes to Valkyrie. Now for the round 2. Spriggan is gonna go against Wild Wyvern. So this time I'm gonna launch Wild Wyvern first, then Spriggan. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Wyvern is not looking good. Okay. So Spriggan was able to get a win easily. So last time we launched Wyvern first, so this time we're gonna launch Spriggan first. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. I would say this is pretty much of a draw. So let's do another round. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. So this time Wyvern won. Now this time I'm gonna launch Wyvern first, then Spriggan. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. So Wyvern won. So that's 2 points for Wyvern. Our fake Beyblade is still losing. So now it's gonna go against Kesser Kerbeus. So first I'm gonna launch Kesser Kerbeus, then Spriggan. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. I was hoping for one more burst. I don't know why it's not happening. So Kesser Kerbeus was able to pull a win very easily. Let's launch Spriggan first this time. 1 point for Kesser Kerbeus. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. So Kesser Kerbeus was able to pull a win very easily. Now we're gonna do the last battle and it's gonna be between Storm Spriggan versus Lost Luinor. So this is gonna be the last epic battle because this Lost Luinor is crazy, guys. So let me launch Spriggan first. 3, 2, 1, let it rip! 3, 2, 1, let it rip! You can see how crazy Luinor is. Oh my god! Did that just happen? Our Spriggan busted the Luinor. It was not able to get even one win and it won by burst finish. So I guess it's not really that bad. So guys, that's pretty much all the battle. Our guy won at least one battle in the end. I am really happy. So let me tell you something here. So even if this Beyblade was not able to pull even one win, that doesn't make it the bad Beyblade. Because in today's scenario, what is happening is most of the DB base, Super King base, they don't even burst. And that is not good, guys. I don't feel like playing with them much. So the enjoy of burst, it has gone with the sparking and DB base. So that's where these guys come in picture because they burst and they burst a lot. So obviously if I am battling with Beyblades, I am expecting them to be burst at least, like once in a 3-4 battle. So that's why people are loving these first gen, second gen Beyblades instead of sparking or DB base. So it's a pretty good Beyblade, but still the metal is a issue with these. Please use this carefully because I heard that these fake Beyblades contain some lead and all. I don't have equipment to check it, so I'm really not sure if it does or not. But let's be a little bit careful with these and use these with precautions. Anyhow, I don't think so they're gonna break that easily or something. So on that front you are good, but still let's be careful. So guys, that's pretty much it for today. I know this battle was requested by some of you and it took me a lot of time to make this video, so sorry about that, but soon we'll be having some more battles coming, so stay tuned for that. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video. Till then, stay safe and happy blading.